Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to our online class. This is your English language class, and today we are going to learn what is common and what is proper noun. So, we have already learned what is noun. All names are nouns, and the general names of person, place, animal, and things are common noun. I repeat, the general name of person, place, animals, and things are common noun. Just take the examples. He is a clown. Clown is common noun. We can recognize the person as a clown. Okay, there can be many clown. So, general name for a person. Clown is a general name for a person. They live in a city. Here, city is noun, and city is the general name for the place. There can be many cities. Okay, I live in a city, you live in a different city. We call it city. So, city is a general name for the place. It is a dog. So, dog is a noun and it is a general name for the animal. So I can call it dog, I can call the animal cat. Okay, so whenever I say dog, you can understand I am indicating this animal or that. Okay, so dog is the general name for the animal. This is a pastry. So this is a pastry. This can be ball, pen, other things. So this is a pastry. This is a general name for the thing. Okay, so common nouns are the names used for general names. Okay, understood? So common nouns are the general name. Now let's talk about special names or proper nouns. So some special names of people, places, pets, days, months, organization, etc. are the proper nouns. Just take the example. John, the clown, entertains people in a circus. So the clown is common noun and the name of the clown is John, the special name. He has his name, that is John. John the clown entertains people in a circus. So John will be proper noun and clown is general noun or common noun. So the special name for the clown is John. They live in Mumbai. Mumbai is the name of a city. We can also write that they live in Mumbai city. So the Mumbai is a special name for the city. We can also say Kolkata is a big city, Delhi is a big city. So city is common and proper noun is Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata. There are the special names for the city. Okay. His dog's name is Pluto. His dog's name is Pluto. So dog is common. I have a pet dog, you have a pet dog, some others may have pet dog, but his dog name is Pluto. Okay, so that Pluto is the special name for the dog. Pluto is the special name for the dog. I can call the dog Pluto. Whenever I call Pluto, then I will easily understand I am calling his dog. Okay, so there can be more proper nouns. Proper nouns can be country, city, road, river, mountains, festivals, etc. Okay, so just like that, the Red Fort is situated in New Delhi. Red Fort is the proper noun and New Delhi is also a proper noun. Okay, and always remember that proper noun always starts with capital letter. Proper noun always starts with capital letter, whereas common noun are not capitalized unless they begin in a sentence or are a part of a title. Okay, whenever you start a sentence with a common noun, you can write the first letter in capital, or whenever this is a title, just like my school. School is a common noun, but this is as it is title, then you can use s as capital. Okay, so now I think it is very clear. We are going to give you more examples. Now you can see that take the previous example. The Red Fort is situated in New Delhi. Red Fort is a Red Fort is a proper noun, so we are using the capital letters there, and New Delhi is also a proper noun, and so we have used capital letters there. My school is on Mahatma Gandhi Road. Mahatma Gandhi Road is a name of a road, so it is a proper noun. It's a special name of the road. I know that if I say that I am going to Mahatma Gandhi Road, then you can understand I am going to that road, or my home is situated on Mahatma Gandhi Road. So Mahatma Gandhi Road is the special name of a road, so it is proper noun, and we are using the capital letters here. Mahatma Gandhi Road, you can see that. Now take one more example. Child. The word child is a general name. It is not specific. So child is common. If you say, hey child, you might probably get many responses as there are many childs. But if you say, hey Chang, you might get one response as you are pointing to someone specific. His name is Chang, so he will give you answer. So Chang is a special name given to a specific child, and hence it is a proper noun. Okay, now I think it is very clear, and the differences I will tell you once more. Common nouns are used for general name, just like people, animals, place, things. Proper nouns are for specific, special names of people, animals, place, or things. Just like this is a fort. Fort is common noun. This is a car. Car is the name of a thing, and it is common noun. This is a boy. This is common noun. This is the dog. Dog is common noun. So common noun are used for person, animal, place, and thing. If I say this is Jimmy, Jimmy is the name of a boy, so now Jimmy is proper noun. This is Ginger, so Ginger is the name of the dog, so it is proper noun. This is Red Fort. This is the Red Fort. Red Fort is the name of the fort, so it is proper noun. So proper nouns are special names of cities, days, months, festivals, books, etc. Okay, they are special names. So I think now it is clear to you, and if you have any doubts or any queries, then let me know. I will try to solve it out. Okay, till then keep practicing this. Take care. Tata.